Hello, welcome to this channel. Smartwatches are popular today, and different companies are launching different smartwatch in the market to meet the requirement of the customers and in the crowd of the smartphone market. Xiaomi smartwatch are also popular and becoming the choice of customers. In this video we will unbox and review Xiaomi's latest Redmi Watch 2 Lite smartwatch and let you know the details of this watch. It will definitely help you to decide if you are planning budget-friendly, reliable smartwatch at your budget. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing and like this video. It will definitely motivate us to create more exciting video. First, let's start from unboxing of the watch. The watch comes with nice packaging. Outside the box, here we can see the size of watch. It has 1.55-inch HD display. It supports 24/7 blood oxygen saturation monitoring, long battery life, built-in GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BTOW, and 5 ATM water resistant. For more details, first let's remove the wrapping cover and plastic and see what comes inside the box. Once we open the box, first here we can see the watch itself. It is in black color and looks very nice and premium. The band is skin-friendly silicone material. It is replaceable band, but not standard 20 or 22 millimeters replaceable band. Anyway, it looks really premium. In addition with watch, here is one user manual and one 2-pin magnetic charging cable also available inside the box. To set up the watch, you need to download Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear app in your mobile, and you can connect it with the app to see the full function of this watch. I have already downloaded the app in my mobile, so it is connected with the app in my mobile. The app is very convenient to use, and it shows all the record of our activities in the app itself once we connect the watch with the app during or after workout. Next, let's check the design and build quality. The watch is made with rectangular shaped design, like Apple Watch, with 1.55-inch HD display with 5 level of brightness setting. The display is very sharp in both indoor and outdoor environment, and it is very easy to read the information in the display. In the right side, here is one single button to switch on and off and see all the features of this watch. In the screen from up to down swapping, here we can see message notification features, and when we swap down to up, we can see the option for do not disturb function, alarm setup, flashlight, screen timer for 5-minute and setting option, and right to left and left to right we can see watch faces, heart rate monitoring and sports activities function. Overall, the watch design is very good and quality also looks premium. Even though it is budget smartwatch, so don't accept the quality and features from this watch, same as flagship level smartwatch, but it will definitely meet your requirement at this budget. Next, let's check the features. Features-wise, the watch is not so fancy, and it has almost all required features. The chipset that used is not Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, so it is not so super fast, but it doesn't have any lag on display and function of the watch. The 155-inch HD display is 10% bigger than previous model and is quite responsive. It looks so good at hand, and it has better visual and touch control experience. We can download 100+ watch faces to use different watch faces in different days, and 100+ workout modes to track exercises from indoor to outdoor and even underwater. It is IP68, 5 ATM water resistant, so we can use this watch during shower and pool for summing. Its high-precision GPS chip supports the 4 major global positioning systems. The built-in GNSS chipset comes with improved performance for more precise position tracking. 4 major global positioning systems, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS are supported. It supports continuous blood oxygen measurement, anytime even during sleep time as well, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep quality monitoring, stress monitoring, step counting, calories counting and women health tracking, breath exercises, music control, incoming call notification, message notification, alarm, timer, etc. are the basic features of this watch. When we connect this watch with Xiaomi Wear app, we can see the all health record data of this watch in the app itself. Next, let's check the sensor accuracy. The sensor accuracy that used in this watch is as average, but we can use it as reference purpose only. The heart rate monitor and SpO2 monitor is quite improved compared to previous model and even comparable with other brands' smartwatch. It would be better if the sensor accuracy was as good as medical grade, but it might lead the price of the watch. The health monitoring features, daily workout and health data of this watch definitely push us to be stay fit and health conscious. Next, let's check the battery life. The watch comes with 262 mAh battery. Redmi claims it provides 10 days of battery life in normal uses and 5 days in heavy uses. But in my experience, it provides up to 5 to 6 days of battery life in normal uses with all features on, like 24/7 heart rate monitoring, 24/7 blood oxygen monitoring, and sleep monitoring. But in GPS mode, it provides only 14 hours of battery life. I have been using this watch for more than 2 weeks and the battery life is decent. For charging the battery, it takes 2 hours to full charge. Next, let's check the price. The price of this watch in the Poly market is 8,000 NPR, around $60, and it is same price as compared to Indian market. Even you can get some discount from market if you have good negotiation power. Verdict: if you are looking best budget smartwatch from reputed brand, with all basic features and decent battery life at your budget, then it might definitely be your choice, but decision is yours. In my opinion, it would be better if it has AMOLED display and standard 20 or 22 mm strap instead of customized replaceable strap. What is your opinion? Please write your comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Have a great time ahead. See you in next video.